Well, I've got a basic tip for you if you want to start learning about React. First of all, if you go on Google or search, there are a lot of resources, so you can easily get confused. There are tutorials, videos, and so much more, the documentation. So I would like to suggest a resource I found which I have personally used in learning React. This website contains many tutorials. It's called tanyarassia.com. I hope I am pronouncing it right. So you can see that Tanya Raskia. I don't know the pronunciation, excuse me, but this is the website. And when you go to this website, you will see that the basics of React, like properties and all the basic tools, the components, simple components, the React classes. So if you follow this tutorial along, you'll get to know so much different perspectives of React. But remember one thing, the prerequisite of learning React, you should know about JavaScript and HTML with a little bit of CSS, because that is the prerequisite if you want to learn React. Now React is basically, it is used to create components like in Twitter, and it is created by Facebook. So it is basically a very popular library, and it is being used all over the world, especially in front-end development. So if you practice for 1 hour daily, as of me, I am learning React, and basically it's a great framework.